Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the top tricks on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so let's begin. We can go into the settings first, and of course we have the whole Galaxy AI, which is the best feature in my opinion. So let's proceed into the Galaxy AI. As you can see, we have a bunch of options, starting from the call assist to the writing interpreter, note assist, transcript assist, browsing assist, photo assist, and many others. So we can begin with the interpreter. I'm gonna show you how this works, and I'll show you an example. As you can see, start interpreter from the quick panel and use AI. The quick panel is in here. This is how you enter it. And now let's enter this feature. So let's go into the interpreter. And basically this feature is really good and useful when, for example, you are speaking with someone, having a conversation with someone who doesn't know your language. So let's say I'm speaking only English and the second person knows Polish. So now I'm gonna talk to this side of the phone, and the second person, is in front of me on this side, on the top. And now when I will say something in English, it will be automatically translated into the Polish. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna say a quote in English, and it will be translated. So, hi, how are you?
Cześć, jak się masz?
As you can see, it has been translated really fast, and also with the sound, so you don't need to read it, you can hear it. And now let's say I'm the Polish person and I want to tell something to the English person. So now I'm gonna turn my phone upside down. I'm gonna talking to this side of the phone in Polish. Jak dotrzeć na stację benzynową?
How to get to the gas station?
And as you can see, it works both sides. So it is a really cool feature in my opinion. Next thing we have the note assist. So now I'm gonna proceed straight into the notes. Let's create a new one. And the AI option is in here, those stars. We have options such as spelling and grammar, writing style, composer, and also in here we can auto format, summarize, again spelling and grammar, and the translate. So let's use the translate version first. I'm gonna type something in the English and let's translate it into the other language. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's write, hi, where is the shop? Let it be an example. So now I'm gonna click on those stars and let's click on translate. Now click on in here to generate translation, and as you can see, it has been successfully translated from English to Polish. Also, there are many other languages in here. You can select them in here, but first you need to download them. So there are many options of languages also. Let's get back into the AI. We also have the spelling and the grammar. You can click on show corrections. And as you can see, I forgot the question mark, and this AI did it for us. So it checked is the grammar okay, and if you want to replace, simply click on replace, and now we have this good sentence. Also, now we can go to the drawing assist, which is right in here, this option. You can simply draw anything you want. But first, actually, I'm gonna show you the drawing assist when but I will first take a photo. Okay, we have our photo. And the AI is right in here. Again, those stars. We can generate edit. You can switch the angle in here of the photo, but let's leave it to the 0. And now the scratch to image, which is in my opinion also very cool feature. So now basically I'm gonna draw, let's say it will be a car, and from my ugly scratch it should turn into a cool car. So now that's what I'm gonna do. I'll try to draw the car, but I'm not the best painter. Okay, let's say it is our car, and now let's simply click on the generate. Okay, and as you can see, now we have the car in here. Just from my ugly scratch, it has been turned into a car, but I'm also gonna show that it doesn't need to be only a car. So let's try to draw a cat. So I know I'm not the best painter, but let's try. Okay, and let's click on generate. Okay, the scratch is also a little bit too big, so now I'm gonna use the rubber, which is right in here, and draw a smaller one. So let's get rid of this and let's paint again. Okay, now let's click on the generate. And boom, as you can see from my ugly scratch, a beautiful cat showed up in this photo. Also, if you want, you can save the copy right in here. Click on got it, and it has been successfully saved in our gallery. Okay, so now we can go back into the settings again, and I will also show you the translation in the browser. So let's get into our Chrome and let's enter basically any page we want. As you can see, it has been already translated into English, but if you want to translate, let's say, only the part of this, select the sentences, click on those 3 dots and click on translate. And as you can see, let's also pick English in here into the Polish. Here's the original text and here is the translate. So it's a cool feature. If you don't know the language and you want to know what this page says, it is also a cool opinion. And now let's enter the Bixby, which is right also in the settings. Let's scroll down into the accessibility. Oh no, I'm sorry, not the accessibility. So basically all you need to do is to hold the power button. The power button and the volume down button. I'm really sorry. And now we have the side button settings. So on the double press, we can select what action will be made. For now it is camera, but you can pick between the quick launch, Samsung wallet, flashlight, and many others. And also you can select an app. So that's what I'm gonna show you for now. But first I'm gonna show you the camera. So now when I'll double tap, as you can see, the camera launches really fast. Back into the side button settings, double press. And now let's say I want to open an app with the double tap. So let it be the Chrome. So now when I will double press, it should launch the Google. And that's how it is, as you can see. So it's really, really good. Cool feature in my opinion. It saves a lot of time. Maybe not a lot, but it's pretty fast. So you don't need to, look for your Google Chrome. You just simply double press and you are in the Google really, really fast. So let's get back into the side button settings again. Okay, side button settings, and now the long press. In here you can pick between the digital assistant or the Bixby, but let's pick the Bixby for now. And basically Bixby is also an AI. You can give him a voice commands or basically ask him anything you want. So I'm gonna now show you again a few options. So let's hold the power button until the Bixby in here shows up. And let's ask him a few questions. Give me a recipe for pizza, please.
Here are some recipes for pizza.
And now, as you can see, the AI did the job for us. We don't need to, look for these recipes in the Google. We have much options in here, so we can select, for example, this one.
Here's how to make no yeast pizza dough. It takes about 35 minutes to make 2 servings.
And now we have the recipe for the dough and the whole pizza, as you can see. So it's also a cool feature in my opinion. If you like to spend time in the kitchen and like to cook, you can use this option basically anytime. So now let's say I want to do something in the future and I don't want to forget it. So let's set a reminder. Also, this AI provides this. So let's do this. Set me a reminder. Set me a reminder to do the laundry, please.
To do that, give reminder permission.
Yes, but first we need to give reminder the permission. And also we don't need to, look for the reminder app. We can open the reminder remotely by only using our voice command. So that's what I'm gonna do. Open reminder app, please. And boom, now we are in the reminder. In the notifications, we can click on allow. In here, click on continue. And now we have the access to this option. We can also make a reminder manually, but let's use AI for this. Set me a reminder to do the laundry at 7 p.m. please.
Your reminder saved.
And as you can see, it works really, really nice. Your reminder is saved. Do the laundry today, 9 p.m. and save to my reminders. So just to make sure, let's see if it's actually saved. So let's get into the reminder app. And as you can see, my reminders 1, do the laundry, and we got the hour. So it works really, really, really nice. Okay, so that's the option of the top tricks on this phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.